Okay, this is happening.
This
is totally happening. This is a thing that we're doing. Hello, my name is Dee. And my name is...
You expected me to say my name?
I expect you to say your name. This is my daughter Stephanie. She's turning 12. I'm taking her overseas on our second mother-daughter whirlwind global adventure. So where are we going?
I don't know. New York.
What are we doing in New York?
Seeing Hamilton.
Mm-hmm. Then we're off to the Social Enterprise World Forum. Stephanie will be the youngest person in attendance at the forum, learning about the importance of being ethical and rational and good in business. And then London, where we get a break from each other, and I spend 3 days writing in a park or a museum, and my daughter spends 3 days hanging out with her friends Xander and Cara. Anyway, one thing that we decided as a mother-daughter pair is we are going to try really, really hard to have a zero or close to zero waste vacation. So here's the strategy. We have, we're packing 2 very simple little plastic containers. So we're going to try and eat at restaurants, share meals as well, because food waste is a problem, as well as, luckily, I will eat anything, and Stephanie's really picky, so she can just order and I will just eat half of whatever she's having, particularly in America because the portions are kind of ridiculous and we never finish them. So we're going to make a conscious effort to only buy what we're going to eat, not throw anything away, and then when we're on the road, we'll go to food trucks or takeaways or whatever, and we'll have these to put the nutritious, delicious treats into, and then we can take them away with us as well. So that's food. Then of course, Stephanie will have her Nana Girl water bottle that we can fill up sporadically, so we don't have to buy bottled water on the go. And quelle surprise, I have a Wonder Woman water bottle. How else? Oh, this is going to take some explaining. Okay, so this is an amazing product. This is going to cover us, me and Stephanie, literally cover us, because it's what we're going to use to wash ourselves, for the entire 3 weeks that we're away. So let me show you. So this is the face sampler.
This is the body sampler.
That's the body sampler. So, oh man, this is 100% packaging free. I mean, you don't have to like buy heaps of bottles and potions and lotions to smell and feel really good. These gorgeous, they last so long. I've been using them for over a month now, almost exclusively.
Clara!
And this is Clara. Unfortunately, Clara's not coming with us. Stephanie is going to suffer daily without her. Anyway, so this product was made by an amazing, wonderful, genius, fantastic, humble, kind, stunning, adventurous, great human being named Brianna West. No relation, actually. Same surname. We're not related. But she has designed this packaging, and it's made from plant extracts, and it biodegrades really, really quickly with water. And then, of course, all of the shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and face products are really, really, really good. They don't lather up. That lathering sort of stuff that happens that we're traditionally used to when we shampoo our hair and wash ourselves, that's not super good for the environment. That lathery stuff, bad. Bubbles are bad, basically. Bubbles and sparkles are bad, which is a shame because I like sparkles. Anyway.
See my leotards.
Yeah. Where are your leotards? Oh, they're over at Tiffany's. Then we're gonna have a little chili bag to put our fruits and vegetables in. Speaking of which, where's the? Oh, there they are. Just a second.
Beeswax wraps.
Yes, beeswax wraps.
Sandwiches.
So yeah, about half the time that we're away, we're going to be staying in apartments, and we can make ourselves sandwiches to our choosing. And now these are really super stretchy, and therefore are fresh fruit and vegetables. Not that Stephanie eats vegetables.
I do.
She eats mangoes. You eat mangoes?
I love mangoes.
She's got mangoes. You eat bananas occasionally. Apples occasionally.
I don't like overripe bananas.
Yeah, they're a
They
bit
have to be
kind of.
perfect.
They have to be perfect.
Don't eat the chocolate.
No, chocolate's very bad for kitties. Okay, so this is for our fruit and veggies. Beeswax wraps. Oh, and then we know which one's mine and which one's yours.
Yours is the lipstick
That's
one.
my one.
Oh, that one.
That one. So I wear a lot of lipstick. Stephanie, not so much. So we always know whose lid is whose because mine has tattooed lipstick all over it.
The straws.
The straws
And
and the
sporks.
sporks. Yeah. Okay. So we have. So these little packages are going to come with us just in my shoulder bag,
Yeah.
and then they will be on hand. So we never have to use a single straw. We never have to use a single plastic fork, or spoon, or knife, or a disposable one. So we've got two different kinds of straws.
We have the water straws
So what? Well.
and the smoothie straws.
So, oh, and that reminds me, this is for smoothies as well because it has a big lid. Because you can go to Boost Juices and all that kind of stuff, and you can say, please don't use a cup, you can use this. So, ta-da, they can pour it in, even though it's really, really thick and they won't spill anything. We can put the lid on. Steph can have her
On my eyes.
strawberry lush. She got chocolate on her eyes.
I put chocolate on my eyes.
Oh, you're very talented.
I
Okay.
know.
And then, of course, we have our Drive Electric Dundee shopping bags. 2 shopping bags because there's no possible way that we're ever going to need to get more than 2 bags of groceries on any outing because we're never staying anywhere for more than about 4 days. Is that our max?
About a week, I think. Pretty sure.
No. We're almost a week in New York. Anyway, so that's that. And then we've got these as well.
Yeah.
So these are just reusable plastic sporky things. So you
They
put
have
them together.
chopsticks, knives.
They have chopsticks, knives, and forks, so we can have our sushi and look terribly dainty, and then feel rather smug about not completely messing up the planet as well. And then, last but not least, we're going to keep a daily journal of our adventures. And Steph's going to write her take on events, and I will write
Hufflepuff.
my take on events. She's a Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff.
Just like her mother, yes. Daddy and Daniel are definitely Ravenclaws.
No, Daniel's Gryffindor.
Yeah, he's a little Gryffindor, isn't he?
I took the test, he's a Gryffindor.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're off in a week, and
Woo.
so we're gonna pack up our reusable arsenal of tools, and we'll let you know how it goes. But yeah, I think it will be interesting, especially going through the U.S., trying to be completely, waste-free.
And then you're gonna brag about it at the conference.
I'm totally gonna brag about it at the conference. I do that. That's the thing I do. I'm a bragger. It makes my children cringe. So yeah, we'll keep you posted on how it all goes, and